Every day across this country, we make choices. Choices on everything from what we wear to what we eat. With increased demands for consumer goods, industrial chemicals, and fresh produce, IWX stands ready to fill those needs. But like most people, we take it for granted that the shelves will be full. Not totally aware of what's involved to move that much merchandise from supplier to consumer. The answer is trucks, the transportation backbone of America. And with an estimated 1.2 million trucking companies in the U.S., there are many choices for transporting your goods. But of all those companies, only 3% have more than 20 trucks. IWX Motor Freight is one of those companies. Started in 1988, IWX is a privately owned and operated company located in the hotbed of trucking activity, Springfield, Missouri. IWX provides their clients with the very best in quality customer service, on-time delivery, and large coverage area. With their more than 300 modern refrigerated trucks, combined with experienced and dependable drivers who have logged millions of accident-free miles, IWX has the dependability and expertise their clients have come to expect.
I have accumulated about 3 million safe driving miles.
But it's more than trucks and trailers. IWX draws its strength from their dedicated professional staff, who are not only behind the steering wheel, but the wrenches, telephones, and computers. It's the people and their experience who really make the difference at IWX.
I've worked for IWX for 17 years.
I've been with IWX since '89.
I've worked here for 26 years.
Everybody else has been 20, 30 years.
We have drivers that have been here for 20 years.
This collective experience continues to improve the supply chain process at IWX, keeping it one of the safest and most dependable companies in the business.
It's not just trucks and loads and customers. It's people. I get to interact with not only customers, but drivers and my coworkers on a daily basis.
When it comes to equipment, IWX knows the best. That's why their fleet is made up entirely of custom-built Freightliner Cascadia Evolution state-of-the-art tractors, along with 53-foot extra-tall trailers that provide 110-inch inside height from nose to tail. The NIST-certified Thermo King refrigeration units provide precise temperature control from -5 to 75 degrees. Air ride suspension for a smoother ride and better feel for the road. SmartWay carb-approved tires that can reduce NOx emissions and improve tire life. SmartWay carb-approved aerodynamics. Aluminum wheels in all positions, allowing for a 45,000-pound payload. Mercedes 12-speed automatic transmissions for the proper gear and smoother shifts. LED headlights for improved night vision and longer life. SmartWay carb-approved optimized idle. This system automatically starts and stops the engine as necessary to maintain the cab and engine temperatures and battery voltage, thus reducing idle time while parked. On-the-tracks satellite communications, driver training, panic button for emergency situations, heated and cooled seats, power windows, 115-volt power inverters, cruise control, heated mirrors, refrigerator and XM radio with weather band for driver comfort and safety. Cameras focused both on the road and the cab for security as well as incident monitoring.
They're smart trucks. They know the highway that you're on, so they adjust the gear according to the highway that you're on. You have to have newer trucks to stay ahead of the game and be aware of all the new laws that are being implemented.
With modern on-the-tracks satellite tracking in all tractors, the Express Suite Load Tracks program, and ThermoTrax technology, IWX not only knows the location and temperature of all their trucks at all times, but clients can also trace their loads through the IWX website and even obtain proof of delivery. IWX has strategically placed operations located in Indiana, Missouri, and Arizona, plus a secure 24-hour drop lot in Texas patrolled by armed security guards. This provides a service area that stretches from coast to coast and gives drivers a safe place to stop, fuel up, and check over their equipment. With tens of thousands of hazardous material classifications and strict regulations regarding their shipping, choosing a knowledgeable and dependable trucking firm is essential. At IWX, all drivers have their hazmat, TWIC, and tanker endorsements and attend on-site protocol training every year. They have continuing training to stay ahead of the newest regulations, classifications, descriptions, packaging, and labeling. This responsibility applies not only to the drivers, but to any person who directly affects hazardous materials transportation safety.
When we build our loads, we make sure our commodity codes reflect exactly what is on that load. And if it's a hazmat load, the driver will call into our shop and they will go through the steps to make sure all the paperwork is listed correctly, the items on the bills are listed correctly as far as DOT is concerned.
When hauling hazardous materials, safety and security for both the shipments and the IWX personnel is paramount. Drivers have emergency panic buttons in all their tractors. When pressed, messages are sent immediately to every dispatcher in our home office. IWX has strict protocols in place for all shipments, especially those with high values, and respect the seal integrity of all shipments they deliver. The bottom line is IWX takes shipping hazardous materials seriously and has the system in place to ensure the safety of the cargo, the drivers, and the general public. Staffed 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, the IWX operations team and all their facilities are ready to handle any problem that may arise and be able to make quick decisions to ensure the timely delivery of payloads to all their customers. You're shipping with confidence, knowing IWX provides a fast, easy shipping process backed by professionals who get the job done. When you deal with Indiana Western Express Incorporated, you can be assured that your transportation needs are being taken care of by the best the industry has to offer. Isn't that the way trucking should be?